Welcome, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 20A, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. So we are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So in this smartphone you can find the fingerprint sensor or the back of this phone, right? So right now let's take a look, let's make the 5 tries and we are going to check how it works. So it's very fast. I put my finger on the sensor and it just unlocked the phone immediately, right? So there's no even some kind of a delay. It works really fast and I'm honestly surprised of the quality of the speed of this sensor. And as you can see, it works every time. So for sure we can say that it's reliable. So yeah, as you can see, it was very short test, but honestly we can say that this sensor on the Realme Narzo 20A works really good. So I can recommend you to use this biometric setting, this biometric protection. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.